Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 107 रन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से टॉपिक डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Put the following in indirect speech. What a rare article milk is. To be sure in London, said Mr. Squeeze with a sigh. Mr. Squeeze exclaimed with a sigh that milk was, to be sure, a very rare article in London. What a stupid fellow you are, he angrily remarked. He angrily remarked that I, he or she maybe, was a very stupid fellow. He said, "My God, I am ruined." He exclaimed sadly that he was ruined. He said, "Alas, our foes are too strong." Exclaimed sadly that their foes were too strong. He said, "What a lazy boy you are! How badly you have done your work." He remarked that I was a very lazy boy and that I had done his work, you can write my or his work, very badly. He remarked that I was a lazy boy and that I had done my work very badly. Or you can write, he remarked that he was a very lazy boy and that he had done his work very badly. "How smart you are," she said. She exclaimed admiringly, "How smart you were." He said, "Oh, that's a nuisance." He exclaimed that it was a nuisance. He said, "How cruel of him." He remarked that it was very cruel of him. He said, "What a pity you did not come." He exclaimed that it was a great pity I had not come. Can use she, he, they, or we. Had not come. "Ah me!" exclaimed the queen. "What a rash and bloody deed you have done." The queen exclaimed sadly that she had done a very rash and bloody deed. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज. आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई? सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज.